Have you ever noticed how pressure often delays healing? We tell ourselves we must get better, faster. We push and we strive, believing that force is the only way forward. But true healing, the kind that lasts, rarely works that way. It's a quiet process, one that cannot be rushed or commanded. Healing responds better to safety than to force. It flourishes in an environment of gentleness and permission. Think of it not as a battle to be won, but as a shy guest you are inviting into your home. You wouldn't shout at a guest to relax. You would offer them a comfortable seat, a warm drink, and a quiet space. So let's create that safety, right here in this moment. You don't need to change anything. Simply bring a gentle awareness to your body. Notice your breath, flowing in and out without any effort from you. Let your eyes soften their focus. Allow your gaze to rest gently on whatever is in front of you. Is your jaw clenched? See if you can create a little space between your teeth. Are your shoulders creeping up toward your ears? Gently invite them to release, to fall back into place. This is what safety feels like in the body, a quiet, gentle letting go. Safety invites healing. It gives your mind, your body, and your heart the message that it's okay to be exactly where you are. It's permission to be imperfect, to be in process. Healing is not a linear path. It is a rhythm of its own, like the turning of the tides. All it asks is for patience and a safe harbor. So today, consider this gentle invitation. Remove one unnecessary pressure. It doesn't have to be big. Perhaps it's the pressure to finish a task perfectly, or the pressure to have the right answer, or even just the pressure to feel a certain way. Choose one, and consciously set it down. Give yourself the gift of that space, the gift of a single, deep breath. You are allowed to be gentle with yourself. You are allowed to heal at your own pace. Take this moment, pause, and just be.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.